Dan, how you doing?
Doing good, doing good. Here for the 9th annual casino night.
A star-studded event tonight. Christopher Knight, a.k.a. Peter Brady.
I think the name is perfect. Journey Forward.
At the end of the night, I remember him coming up to me after the very first casino night. He gave me a huge hug and he said, Dan, whenever you need me, you call me, I'll be here.
It is truly one of the most rewarding experiences that I've had.
Ray Bork is actually going to be coming. He's going to do the live auction this year.
I love raising money for a great cause, and this is certainly one.
Mickey Ward also will be here.
And that's why I'm here to support it, not just for Gary, but for Dan and all the other people that are in wheelchairs and that are fighting to come back.
Dan Cummings, everybody. We're having fun. It's King's Casino Night. Let's go inside.